Hello, this is a quick demo of a new feature in the subscriptions page of Cockpit. Now you can connect your system to Insights directly when you register the system with the subscriptions manager. Let us do that right now. This will take a little bit. It will collect data already now and upload it to be analyzed, and it will show a summary of the results actually. Okay, that's done. Here's the information about Insights. You're connected. Here's a link to cloudredhat.com Insights, and this is what we know locally. We know that 2 rules have been hit, but we can't say more about it, like the severity, etc. Behind this thing there's the more information, when the next upload is scheduled and when the last one was. And also you can find the hidden button to disconnect from Insights here, if that's what you want. And let's see what happens if something breaks. Let's go to the terminal and mess up the configuration. This is a proxy that does not exist, so now all the network communication should fail. And instead of waiting for the next time the upload is done, we can take a shortcut. This is all done with the systemd service, and we can just run it manually now. This is the same as if the timer has gone off. So that should be the error. Let's go back to the subscriptions page. Now you get a little warning thing here, and when you open this information dialog, it will tell you that the last upload has actually failed. It was just now, but it has failed, and here's a link to the page where we just were for the systemd service. Let's fix the configuration again. Like this, and let's do another thing. One of the rules is says that the audit daemon is not running. I have stopped it on purpose just to get some rule hits, and let's fix that now. It's also here in services. We can enable it, I hope, yes, and start it. So I hope that is enough. We don't need to reboot. And now we run this thing again. Maybe we could have a button directly in the subscriptions page to do this. So now we expect that it will succeed, and also we should get one less rule hit. Let's close this. the failure has gone away already because it's now running. If you open this now, it's no longer here. Let's see how we're doing. Yeah, it's still running. So implementation wise, on this page we have all the information about the service that we also have on the dedicated page. So we could show a lot more, like that it is running right now, and I don't know, whatever we can think of, information about the timer, a way to modify the timer, or just links to the service page, which is probably the easiest thing to do, and also tells people more about other corners of Cockpit, and they learn how it is actually implemented. So now uploading. Yeah, and we have one rule hit here. This page updates automatically, dynamically, by listening or watching the files that the Insights client writes. And of course you can disconnect. And then there, this is the way to reconnect. It's all very straightforward. We don't have any parameters here for the connection. Maybe we need some, like the proxy. Maybe Insights needs explicit proxy configuration. Maybe, I'm not sure about that. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, and if you unregister, it will also disconnect from Insights as part of the unregistration. So this is only really intended to be used together with a subscription. Okay, thanks a lot.